Hi guys, so as usual it's cooking time again. My inspiration for the dinner today is Tagalog bistek, like steak. It's Filipino style. I got the recipe from my cousin in Italy, Remelin. Thank you for the recipe. We are gonna try it now and I'll show you the recipe for tonight's dinner. So guys, here are the main ingredients. First off, a salt, black pepper, beef sliced into thin pieces. We have garlic, chopped onions, lemon, brown sugar. Why brown sugar? Is just to neutralize the saltiness of the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. We have the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. So let's start mixing it up together and marinate the meat for about an hour or two. It's best to marinate the meat overnight, but I don't have any time now, so we'll just marinate it for a couple of hours. See you later. So guys, let's start marinating the meat. Let's start with the black pepper. 2 pinches of black pepper. Add in the garlic, chop onions, and squeeze the lemon on the meat. Okay, lemon number 1. Lemon number 2. Oyster sauce, and of course the soy sauce. The sugar and salt, you can add them later on during the cooking period. So we'll just marinate this one, mix it up, marinate it for 1 or 2 hours, and then I'll see you when it's time to cook this one. So guys, after marinating it for some hours, it's time to fry this beef by using sunflower oil. Yum! Can't wait to taste this. Once again, thank you for my cousin from Italy for the recipe. Bistek Tagalog it is. So guys, slow cook for a while until meat is tender. Think for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Be right back. Next, add in the rest of the marinade. And cook it in slow heat to tenderize the meat. So guys, what I did is something new. I added the potatoes so that I won't have to cook it. A little bit lazy. And then the sauce will get into the potatoes as well, so it will have the same taste as the meat. So let's wait until it's tender. It's been cooking for about 30 to 45 minutes now. So guys, it's almost done. Just a little bit more patience until the sauce is reduced to the max. Are you hungry?
Hungry and tired.
Tired?
A little bit.
Just 15 to 20 more minutes and we're going to eat. Okay?
I love it.
Look at our hair. We need a haircut. But the salon and the hairdressers are still closed until the 20th of May. Oh
Yeah,
no.
3 weeks.
I look like Tarzan now. Tarzan and Jane.
Or Tarzan and Jane.
Or Cheetah.
I know.
The monkey.
Boquita.
Mojito. Okay, let's wait for the dinner. So guys, normally we serve this with rice, but for our friend from Holland, we will serve it with potatoes. So this is it guys. Bistek Tagalog Dutch style with potatoes. So guys, I'm so excited. Dinner for tonight. Thai pork basil. I made another one because I really like it. And Bistek Tagalog with Dutch style potatoes. Some rice for me. So if you like watching our vlog and if you like the contents of the vlog, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, a like, of course a share, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Salamat. Bye bye.